Last year I entered the sell trade from this price to this price and I managed to turn 2.5 into 500,000. This year I entered the buy trade from this price to this price and I managed to turn 5,000 into 7.5 million. On this video I'm going to explain exactly how I did it and I'll also show you the strategy I used to enter this trade. So make sure that you watch this whole video so that you don't miss it. So without wasting time guys, let's get straight to it. The day it was on the 28th December 2022 and the market was playing around this price 16,600. So I had 55,000 in my wallet, so I decided to transfer 2.5. So you can see the account is ready here. It's ready to make $500,000. So there are three reasons why I entered this market here on 16,658. So let me quickly explain the reasons so that you can understand why I entered the market right here. So the first reason why I got into this trade is because this market was overbought. You can see that this market was buying since the days of Corona. So when the market got here, it had to do a correction. I will explain the concept of overbought and oversold later on this video. The second reason why I sold here is because this is the resistance area. You can see that when the market got here, it rejected. So it formed the resistance area. So this is our new resistance area. So every time the market comes back here, it means that it's also gonna reject. So that is the second reason why I sold this market here. So the third reason why I entered the market here is because of this huge red candlestick. You can see that it left a huge tail. So on the tail it's our key level of entry. So whenever the market comes back to the level of entry, we're gonna sell. So that's exactly what I did. So when the market came back here, I sold it. So it means that every time when you see this kind of candlestick at the resistance area, you're going to use the tail as a key level of entry. So this is exactly what I did. I waited for the market to enter the key level of entry, then I entered. So from here, when the market first dropped, I was making 10,000. You can see the screenshot here. And when the market got here around 8, I was already on 20,000. You can see the screenshot. You can see that the entry was on the 28th. So it was December holiday. So the market became flat for a few days. After 5 days, the market started dropping. So after 5 days, I was already making 100,000. You can see the screenshot. After that, I just held on a trade. 1 month later, I was already on 250,000. So from there, I just held on for 3 months. So after 4 months, I was already on 500,000. So you can see that this is exactly how I managed to turn that 2.5 into 500,000. So now how did I make that 7.5 million? Let me quickly show you the account. The day it was 20 January 2023 and the market was playing around 11,300. So I was busy analyzing the market and I realized that this is going to be the longest buy. I saw that this market is going to recover the 2022's movement. So I decided to deposit 5,000 into my trading account so that I can be ready to enter the market. So as you can see, the account is ready to kill the market. So there are three main reasons why I entered the market here. So I'm going to explain the three reasons so that you can understand why I took this buy trade right here. Yes guys, the first reason why I entered the buy trade here is because this market was oversold. The reason why I say it's oversold is because this market was selling the whole of 2022. You can see that it was dropping the whole of 2022. So when you got here, it had to reverse a bit. So that is the first reason why I bought this market here. So the second reason why I bought this market here is because when the market got here, it created a support area. So this is our support area and the market is from the support area. You can see that when the market moved from the support area, it was aggressive and now it's on a buy trend. You can see that this market is on this trend. So that is the second reason why I bought this market here. So the third reason is because of this candlestick. You can see that this huge red candlestick, when it moved, it left a huge tail. So on a tail, it's our key level of entry. So whenever the market comes back to the key level of entry, we're going to enter. So this is exactly what I did. I entered the market when the market came back here. You can see that the market dropped and it got to the key level of entry. You can see that whenever it touches the trend line, it pushes up. So this is the trend line which the market was buying with. So when the market pushed up here, the first profit which I made, it was 10,000. So I saw that this market is aggressive with the buy, so I decided to add more trade. I added 0.05 and 0.05, which pushed my profit to be 40,000. You can see the screenshot, you can see the proof. So on this day, I ended up on a profit of 100,000. You can see the screenshot, you can see the proof. So from there, I just kept on holding for a few days. You can see. So after 7 days, the profit was 300,000. So from 300,000, I just kept on holding for a few days. Then from there, the profit was 500,000. Then I saw that this market is just aggressive with the buy. So let me just look for more opportunities to enter more trade. So I looked for more opportunities and I got another chance to enter more trade when the market was on 700,000. So I entered more trade on 700,000 and the profit was turned into $1 million. On this day of 700,000, the profit was turned into $1 million. That 5,000 now is 1 million. You can see the screenshot, you can see the proof, guys. It's a real account. So from there, I just kept on holding for a few weeks. After a few weeks, the profit was turned into 2 million. So from 2 million, the profit was turned into 4 million. So from 4 million, I made 5 million. You can see the screenshot, you can see the proof. The profit is now 5 million. So from 5 million, the profit, it was turned into 7.5 million. You can see the market is still going to the higher side, still pushing. Even now, the market is still aggressive. is still pushing up. So I'm still holding this trade until this day so that I can hit the take profit. You can see I can even show you the account now. This is exactly how to turn 5,000 into 9.7 million. You can see I'm still holding this account. You can see, guys, you can see these are my entries. This is a swing trade. You can see I'm still holding. This market is still pushing up. The market is going for the highest high. The market is still pushing. The market is still pushing up. It's still strong with the buy. You can see the account, guys. You can see. So in order for you to understand how I entered this trade, you have to understand the concept of overbought and oversold. I don't want to make this video long, so I'm going to upload a separate video based on overbought and oversold. I'm going to explain the strategy in detail, so make sure that you visit the channel so that you can learn more. And if you're still new, you don't know anything about forex trading, make sure that you visit the channel. You will see the videos for free. I have uploaded free strategies and you will understand exactly how to make money with NASDAQ, US30 and SPS 500. Just make sure that you visit the channel so that you can learn the free strategies on the channel. And if you're still new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the like button so that you don't miss the next video. So without wasting your time, guys, I'm out.